Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of the Friendly English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. Before we officially jump into the fun part, I want to start with a quick but super important reminder. Make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. It helps this podcast grow so much, and it tells YouTube that our episodes are worth showing to more English learners.
Seriously, it makes a huge difference. Every time someone comments or likes, the channel reaches more people, and subscribing keeps you from missing new episodes when they drop.
Exactly. All right, now that our little podcast mission is complete, let's get into today's episode. Today's gonna be fun, more relaxed, more goofy, more real life, and definitely full of laughs.
Because I'm here, apparently.
You said it, not me. Real life with you always includes noise, chaos, and some kind of unexpected disaster.
You're not wrong. Anyway, hey listeners, today we're talking about things everyone relates to. Funny everyday fails, awkward moments, random thoughts, and the little habits we all have but pretend we don't.
And of course, we'll highlight easy micro lessons along the way. Quick, practical, and super simple. Just relax, hang out with us, and imagine you're sitting right here in the studio. Okay, Noah, let's start with something universal. What's one morning fail that happens to you every single day?
Oh, that's easy. I drop things. My phone, my keys, my toothbrush, my sense of purpose.
Not the sense of purpose.
All before 9 a.m. Mini lesson. To drop the ball is to fail at doing something simple, especially something you should normally do well.
That fits perfectly because mornings are exactly when I drop the ball. But for me, the problem is forgetting things. I walk into a room and instantly forget why I'm there.
Oh, you have room amnesia.
That's not a real thing.
It is now.
Morning brain is wild. Like sometimes I stare at my toothbrush for 15 seconds trying to remember what step comes next.
That's when you know you're not ready for adulthood.
Correct. I reject adulthood every morning between 6 and 8 a.m.
Mini lesson. Spacing out is when your mind drifts away and you're mentally absent for a moment.
Okay, guys, before we keep going, quick pause. If you're enjoying the episode so far, hit that subscribe button.
Yes, it supports the podcast more than you imagine. And of course, don't forget to like the episode.
And leave a comment. Tell us your morning fails. We want to laugh with you.
Seriously, we read every single comment. All of them.
All right, thanks, guys. Now back to the chaos. Okay, Noah, now be honest. What's one chaotic habit you really need to change?
Just one? That's impossible. Okay, fine. Here's one. I snack at the worst possible times. Midnight, snack. 3 a.m., snack. 5 minutes before dinner, snack.
Wait, you eat before dinner?
It's called pre-dinner fuel.
That's not fuel, Noah. That's sabotage.
Mini lesson. To snack equals eating small amounts of food between meals, usually unnecessary and usually regretted.
My bad habit? Overthinking. Specifically at night. You know when you lie down and suddenly your brain decides to play a highlight reel of every embarrassing thing you've ever done?
Oh, yes. That's called the Midnight Brain Show.
Featuring guilt, shame, and episodes that no one else remembers.
And it has no commercial breaks. Another bad habit I have, leaving laundry in the dryer for like 3 days.
That's not laundry anymore. That's a lifestyle.
Mini lesson. To put things off equals to delay doing something you should do.
Hey friends, time for one more quick reminder. Please like this episode if you're enjoying it. It helps so much.
And remember to comment too. Tell us your bad habits, your pet peeves, your weird morning struggles. We love reading about your lives.
And of course, subscribe. It keeps our little friendly English family growing.
Thank you guys. Now back to the show. Okay, Emma, here's a question. Have you ever finished a conversation and then replayed it in your mind for 3 hours?
Daily. Mini lesson, to replay a moment means to think about something again and again.
And then you imagine different versions of what you should have said.
Different endings.
Director's cut, extended edition.
Another random thought I always have is, did I lock the door? Even though I know I did.
Classic anxiety moment.
And then you go back to check it, even though you already checked it once.
Mini lesson, double checking equals checking something twice to make sure it's correct.
Okay, let's have a tiny English learning moment. A lot of students think fluency means speaking fast, but that's not true. Noah, fluency equals calm plus clear plus natural.
Yes, and learning by listening to relaxed conversations like this helps so much.
Mini lesson. Useful, natural phrases to practice. Take your time, no worries. It happens. I got this.
Repeat them out loud when you hear them. It really helps your brain absorb the rhythm of natural English.
All right, guys, this episode was chaotic, but in the best possible way.
Yes, and we hope you laughed with us or at us. Honestly, both are totally fine.
And more importantly, we hope you learned real English from a real, relaxed conversation.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment telling us which part made you laugh the most.
And hey, if you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode.
Yes, because next week's episode is going to be amazing. We're talking about embarrassing stories, real-life mistakes, and English expressions people always get wrong.
Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. I may or may not expose myself again.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for spending time with us. And thank you for being part of the friendly English learning family.
Keep practicing a little every day. Small steps make big progress.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. See you soon, guys.